Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Blessing's platform on health issues. Have you ever heard of herpes simplex virus? We are all aware of HIV virus. We are all aware of coronavirus, hepatitis virus, just to name a few. Today, I'm here to create awareness as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. Herpes simplex virus is one of the viruses that is destroying the world today, but many people are not aware. Facts from World Health Organization from 2016 shows that 3.7 billion people under the age of 50 suffer from herpes simplex virus 1, and 491 million people from 13 to 49 years old suffer from herpes simplex virus 2. Now, there are two types of herpes simplex virus. You have herpes simplex virus 1 and herpes simplex virus 2. Herpes simplex virus 1 is known as the oral herpes. That is, the herpes simplex virus 1 causes oral herpes, while herpes simplex virus 2 causes genital herpes. So this virus, known as herpes simplex virus, is more dangerous than HIV. Why do I say it's more dangerous than HIV? It's more dangerous than HIV because many people are not aware about the dangers of herpes simplex virus. We do go in for HIV screening, hepatitis screening, or taking preventive measure as far as coronavirus is concerned. But we also have to know about herpes simplex virus, which is very, very dangerous. Now, how can this virus be spread from one person to another? This virus can be spread from one person to another through skin-to-skin contact. Through skin-to-skin contact. Remember, there are two types of herpes simplex virus: oral and genital. Now, when we say skin-to-skin contact, is that all? How, as an individual, will you know that you are suffering from herpes simplex virus? How does herpes simplex virus do manifest in your body? Now, for type 1 herpes simplex virus, which is the oral herpes simplex virus, we should all know that herpes simplex virus is mostly asymptomatic. When I say asymptomatic, it shows that there is no visible symptoms. No visible symptoms. In most people, not all, you may harbor the virus, but you are not aware that it's herpes simplex virus, especially when there is no awareness or when you are not educated as far as the area of herpes simplex virus is concerned. How will you therefore know that you are suffering from herpes simplex virus? This virus is asymptomatic. And for the reinfection, not really reinfection, when you are infected for the first time, it may just give you slight fever or headache, and it will just stop, and you will take it normally. And after some time, you realize that you begin to have painful blister or sore around your lips or around your mouth, and it will also disappear. The same as the genital herpes. Genital herpes, you have around painful sore around your genital or around your vagina, move towards the anus. After a while, it disappears and you are okay. But this virus is there and it resides in your nerve cells. It's there destroying you. You have to be aware that this virus might be treatable, but it doesn't have any cure. It doesn't have any cure. So firstly, you have to be aware of the existence of herpes simplex virus. Looking at the world statistics from World Health Organization from 2016 to present date, 3.7 billion people globally, less than 50 years old, suffer from herpes simplex virus 1, which is the oral. And 491 aged 13 to 49 suffer from herpes simplex virus 2, which is the genital herpes. So looking at the cases, you realize that the prevalence is very, very high. The prevalence of herpes simplex virus is very, very high. And aside from the prevalence, which is the old and new cases, you look at the incidence. Due to lack of awareness, we are having a lot of new cases as far as the virus is concerned. Yet, people are not still aware of the fact that herpes simplex virus is very dangerous, more than HIV. Why do I say the virus is more dangerous than HIV? Lack of awareness. People are not aware. But let me say, close to 70 or 80% of the world population knows about HIV/AIDS. So what about herpes? What is so peculiar about herpes simplex virus that people are not aware of? What is so peculiar about the virus? So today, I'm creating awareness to the population as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. Know that there are two types and take it very serious. The same way we do go for HIV screening, the same way we do go for hepatitis screening in order to take the vaccine, please let us also go for herpes simplex virus screening. Herpes simplex, those people suffering from herpes simplex virus, they are more at risk of acquiring HIV infection. Remember, HIV infection is one of the sexually transmitted diseases. Now, assuming that you are suffering from herpes simplex virus and you have sore around your genitals and you have sore around your lips, these sore are painful. They are painful. They are painful blisters around that area. And then you find yourself making love with another person. Definitely, this you will contract the person or you will infect the person with the herpes simplex virus, while the person will also infect you with HIV virus. An individual suffering from two-in-one infection. HIV infection, the same time herpes simplex viral infection. So tell me, how will you handle it? How will you manage it? HIV, they will be giving you antiretroviral therapy. So if you are taking antiretroviral therapy as far as HIV is concerned, is it the same antiretroviral therapy that will be given for herpes simplex virus? It's a question mark. So we should be aware of herpes simplex virus. It can be transmitted through kissing, through fluid, through saliva. Those who love kissing, those who love like mouth-to-mouth, oral sex, and so forth, you can easily get oral herpes, which is the type 1. And for the genital herpes, through sexual contact. You may not know about it, but when these sores are there, as I earlier said, most of them are symptomatic. Some of them don't even create you pain. Meanwhile, for other people, depending on your immunity, you may have pain. After some time, it disappears. But that doesn't mean the virus, herpes simplex virus, is not there. Please, let us be aware about the dangers of herpes simplex virus. It is very, very dangerous. Herpes simplex virus kills. Herpes simplex virus destroys your immunity. Herpes simplex virus hinders you from many activities. You are not free. It's like you are in bondage. A lot of people out there harbor the virus, but they are taking treatment for another disease, not knowing that they have herpes simplex virus. And that is how the infection or herpes simplex virus as a whole is now destroying their immune system. And it will get to a point when there is a lot of complication that you can't manage it and it's gonna kill you. So let's be aware. Let us go for screening as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. Why doing screening for HIV virus? Go for screening as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. Go and know your state. You have already known your state as far as hepatitis virus is concerned, as far as HIV virus is concerned. Go and know your state as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. A lot of us do involve in relationship, friendship that will lead to marriage. But during marriage, we do a lot of screening, such as HIV or sexually transmitted diseases. But among the screening tests that you carried out, did you put herpes? A lot of screening tests that we do carry out there, we keep away herpes simplex virus, not knowing that one of the partner might be suffering from herpes simplex virus. And once you two of you are together, both are at risk of contracting herpes simplex virus. How do we prevent herpes simplex virus? Please avoid oral kissing. Avoid it. It might be good for you, it may be your hobby, but I'm just here to create awareness that before you do oral kissing or anything oral, please know the state of your partner as far as herpes simplex virus is concerned. Go in for screening and be able to do what is known as abstinence as far as the genital herpes is concerned. And if you cannot, for those who are sexually active, if you know you cannot be able to abstain, please and please use condom. Use protective layer if you don't know the state or the state of that person that you want to have intercourse with. This is to save your life. This is to prevent your own life from getting infection, from getting infected with herpes simplex virus. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page and to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. In our next episode, I'll be talking about the core infection for those with HIV, hepatitis, and herpes simplex virus. If you're among the category, what will you do? Just subscribe and follow my Facebook page for more health tips. See you.